Okay, Bharat. So let's start your Snap MOOC for power cycles. Actually, you mentioned, yeah? You want Snap for cycles, thermodynamic
Yes, sir.
cycles,
Yes, sir. Thermodynamic
and
cycle.
you are preparing for NPCIL.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's start your MOOC, Bharat. Bharat, first tell me what do you mean by thermodynamic cycle?
Thermodynamics. Gen- Generally, we operate like for producing power
Mm-hmm.
uh, or for refrigeration, for cooling the room, and
Bharat,
AC.
what's the difference between a power cycle and power absorbing cycle?
Absorbing cycle means I don't know, sir. That's absorbing.
Power, there are some power producing cycle. Can you give me some example of power producing cycle?
Yes, sir. Rankine cycle.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I know only this Rankine cycle, sir.
You only know about Rankine cycle. What about diesel cycle? Diesel cycle is a power cycle or a power absorbing cycle? Power producing cycle or power absorbing cycle?
Okay, sir. But I am from chemical engineering, so I don't know that engine part.
In IC engine, in chemical engineering, you have not studied about Otto cycle, diesel cycle. I don't think these are the part in chemical engineering also.
Yes, sir. Like I heard, but I didn't go in detail.
Mm, okay. And what about air refrigeration cycle, like VCRS cycle? You heard about VCRS cycle?
In we I heard about only this vapor compression cycle, sir. Like
Yes, vapor
refrigerator
compression.
and
You heard about that, no?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is that? That is a power producing cycle or power absorbing cycle?
Power absorbing only.
Obviously, yes. So you heard about all those things, Bharat. Why you are saying
Yes,
ki
sir.
only you heard about Rankine?
No,
Because
sir.
in chemical engineering, whether in you're in that branch, but these cycles are there in the curriculum of chemical
Ah,
engineering also.
okay.
So what do you think? What is the basic difference between power absorbing cycle and power producing cycle?
Sir, we here like basic difference is here we are producing work in the form of power in
Mm-hmm.
Rankine cycle, but in refrigerator we are extracting the heat from the room or any space in refrigerator or in ACs.
Hmm. So, Bharat, can you tell me the ideal cycle for power producing cycles? Which one is the ideal cycle?
Ideal cycle will Carnot cycle.
Carnot cycle is the ideal cycle. Why?
From Carnot basis on the Carnot cycle only we are designing all other means we are operating all other cycles, sir. This Rankine cycle.
Hmm. Okay, can you draw this Rankine cycle, Bharat?
Rankine cycle, sir.
Yes, yes. Go ahead. Draw Rankine cycle with the reheating.
Read.
Yes. You need to draw both diagrams, temperature entropy diagram,
Yes, sir.
and another one you can draw pH or PV, anyone which you like.
Okay. This HS plot.
Just show me. Just put in front of the camera. It just plot you have drawn. Mm, mm, I mentioned you need to draw with the reheating. There is no such a reheating in this case. You need to draw the Rankine cycle with the reheating. You know about reheating, Bharat?
No, sir. In Rankine cycle, I studied only basic part like
Basic part, but Rankine cycle, reheating, superheating, these are the relative terms actually. And you
okay.
need to know about all those things, Bharat.
Okay.
Acha, what do you mean by reheat?
Heating like just like a boiler, sir.
Okay, in chemical engineering, you studied about all those things or not?
So basically like Rankine cycle and this vapor compression cycles I studied.
No,
Only
fine.
refrigerator.
In Rankine cycle, you studied about reheating, superheating.
No, sir.
How we carry out, what is the effect of all those things you studied?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. Fine. Okay. So fine. So Bharat, if I will ask you some question, because actually these are the very relevant part of any thermodynamic cycle, but you're saying you have not studied all those things. So let me ask you some questions from general basic cycle. Okay. So in a complete cycle, Bharat, what is the change in entropy? How you will find out change in entropy in a complete cycle?
Total cycle, sir. Like first, initially there will be boiler, then after turbine will be there. In turbine and pump, both are like isentropic process, sir. Anyway, change in entropy is 0. And in boiler and condenser is decreasing enthalpy is there at constant pressure. So constant pressure, directly we can write dq equal to dh. We know, right, sir, entropy is equal to dq by t. Dq is in constant pressure is change in enthalpy. So we can write change in enthalpy by temperature. And
so what you are going to get, like
find
change in entropy of the fluid, means working fluid in a complete cycle, that is going to come out positive, negative, 0, or any other? What you are going to get?
sir, increasing in entropy, total cycle it is 0, sir. Change in entropy is 0. Any cyclic process, change in entropy will be 0. Right?
That will be 0. Why?
It is a state function. Entropy is a state function. So in a cycle, we will get change in entropy is 0.
And what about entropy change of the surrounding, Bharat?
Sir?
Entropy change of the
surrounding.
Yes, yes.
Definitely it will be positive, sir.
It will be positive. How you will calculate that?
Sir, yeah, entropy generation is equals to sum of the entropy of the system plus surroundings, sir. So it is 0 means definitely for all process in the universe, all process leads to increase in entropy, sir. Then definitely system entropy will be positive.
But can you tell me something about the indicator diagram? What do you mean by indicator diagram?
Don't know, sir.
Huh?
Don't know, sir. Integrated diagram.
Indicator diagram. You have not heard about indicator diagram?
No, sir.
You heard about indicated power?
No, sir.
Indicated power of an IC engine, brake power of an IC engine. You have not heard?
No, sir. IC engines I didn't study, sir.
IC engine you have not studied?
No, sir.
It is there in the chemical engineering curriculum or not?
Like in our curriculum will be there, but we didn't focus actually for examinations and everything. So,
but for NPCIL, I think they can ask you some part from that.
Okay, sir. But I know that basics are like a diesel cycle and Otto cycle, sir. But I don't now. I'm not aware.
But on which cycle your nuclear power plant works?
Rankine cycle, sir.
Rankine cycle, similar Rankine cycle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you draw the supercritical Rankine cycle?
Supercritical.
Yes.
Sir, actually, I didn't hear these terms. Supercritical Rankine.
What do you mean by supercritical, Bharat? What do you mean by supercritical boiler?
Means it will heat above critical temperature and critical pressure.
So can tell me something about critical point? What is critical point?
A temperature and pressure at which we can't differentiate the vapor phase and liquid phase, sir. The maximum temperature at which we can't differentiate between the temperature and pressure, sir. That is critical.
Okay. So, Bharat, what is the critical point for water? Can you tell me exactly what is the critical point for water?
Sir, pressure is 22.14 megapascal
Mhm.
and temperature is 647.17 Kelvin.
Can you give me any example of a supercritical boiler, Bharat?
Supercritical boiler. No, sir. I don't know.
You heard about Babcock's and Wilcox boiler?
No, sir.
What is that? That is a you have not heard about all those things. You heard about Benson boiler?
No, no, sir.
Okay. Okay. My last question is to you, Bharat. What is mean effective pressure?
Beam effective pressure.
Yes.
Sir, sorry, sir. These all things like I didn't read. Actually, video in my curriculum also I didn't see.
So you need to share your curriculum with me, Bharat. Because
Uh,
if you are mentioning about thermodynamic cycle and only if you will prepare Rankine and then Rankine also you prepare that basics only without superheating, without reheating, then I need to check actually your curriculum. Because what I feel ki IC engine, all those things are there in the chemical engineering curriculum, auto diesel cycle. And if you studied about those cycle, then you need to know, like you studied about auto cycle, diesel cycle or not.
Sir, like I saw some questions for in mechanical NPCL interview questions. So I read about just knowing the things I read is diesel cycle and auto cycle, but I don't know this reheating and superheating. I didn't heard in Rankine.
Okay. Okay, Bharat, can you draw the auto cycle and diesel cycle on the same PV and TS plot for the same compression ratio and same heat addition? You need to draw the auto cycle and diesel cycle on the same PV and TS plot. The condition is same compression ratio and same heat addition.
Sir, in auto cycle, two constant pressure process will be there and two adiabatic, like reversible.
Just show me.
Constant
Just show me if you have drawn. Okay, this is which cycle you are drawing?
Auto cycle.
Huh?
Auto cycle.
Auto cycle. Are you sure about this? This is auto cycle.
Yes, sir.
Where we use auto cycle, Bharat?
In petrol engines, sir.
So at like heat addition and heat rejection in auto cycle takes place at constant pressure or constant volume?
Constant pressure, I think.
Then you need to revise, Bharat.
Oh.
These are the very basic, simple questions I asked you.
Okay.
Bharat, you mentioned about Rankine cycle, but you have not explained. You mentioned about auto cycle. You're drawing that different cycle actually. This is not the auto cycle. In auto cycle, both heat addition and rejection takes place at constant volume.
Okay.
Diesel cycle heat addition takes place at constant pressure. Rejections takes place at constant volume.
Okay.
So I think you are not having basic understanding of even drawing the cycle. The comparison is the second step actually.
Okay.
If you are not able to draw the single cycle of auto cycle, then yes, you will not be able to actually compare those auto and diesel cycle on the same platform.
Okay.
So what I feel, Bharat, you have not actually revised all those cycles, you know. So first, what you need to do, you need to share the entire curriculum with me so that I will check what cycles are there in your syllabus. Okay, and then you need to revise all those things.
Okay.
Okay, Bharat.
Okay, sir.
Yes, because this time what I feel your basics are not that much strong, good in this particular area. ठीक है? तो अभी आपको मेहनत करना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
Just revise all those things and go for again one another snap.
Okay.
Okay, Bharat. Good luck and keep preparing. When is your interview?
10th, sir. 10th August.
So, abhi you are having time. You are having 7-8 days. So revise all those things.